Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick summarization on how to actually get the dragon scale. So this is a very rare material. This material can be dropped by the dragon true warrior or the archer. You could just basically, and it's also obtainable, okay? It's also obtainable by using God Human, the mystic droplet. I'm just saying it off of memory here. The Dragon Crew Warrior, yeah, and the Dragon Crew Archer, the Magma Ore, and just basically one of the Blox fruit, and also one of the fishtail and swords. So that's basically it. That's how rare this material is, and it's hard to obtain at first, but you'll get the heck of it once you're done with the initial process. So that's just basically it. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.